fantastic guys coming on and you all support. Let's have a little bit of prettiness on stage. So Ankita, can you please get her? Come on guys, get up Ankita.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
This one is entitled Fire and Vice. We fell in love, like a child falls in love with the stars in the sky. They tell him it's idle pleasure. He thankfully feels otherwise. On the rooftop or the windowsill, with bare eyes, he learns that the stars are the brightest on the darkest nights. He listens intently to their soothsaying, wondering if he will ever be able to touch those glinting eyes that look back at him from millions of light years away. He doesn't know yet, or perhaps he does, that the world is indeed made of stars and stardust, that millions of years ago a star burst, only to become the earth, its life, us. So why couldn't a child fall in love with the stars? And he was made of one. Maybe in those glinting eyes he saw his own reflection. We fell in love like a child falls in love with the stars in the sky. Too different to love, not yours to choose, came their outcry. I grew up in a battlefield where Gandhari cried, where the Kauravas were slain and war knew not of wrong or right. But in Kurukshetra, the war is still on. Arjuna is not in a dilemma and conscience is a feeling by God. Love fights oppression, oppression honor, honor doesn't know what it is. And love bleeds in every corner. We fell in love like a child falls in love with the stars in the sky. Our fate was determined by the ones that didn't live our life. Weaving a trap of terror, leaving all their fingerprints behind, they nonchalantly kept up with the tradition of love and tragedy intertwined. The greatest love stories emerged from this land had carved themselves in the lines of my hands. I knew our story wouldn't last, for the secret meetings of Soni Mahiwal or the momentary happiness when he reunited with Rancha or any peace at all. Engulfed in fire, there would be no more than two lines. The first, they fell in love. The second, they died. We fell in love like a child falls in love with the stars in the sky. The massive stars sustained luminous fire we couldn't when we were burnt alive. I won't call upon Varis Shah to speak of my grief. The two-line story has a lesson that I will let my ashes speak. Minute by minute, for days together, breaking us into pieces, watching our faces of horror, they bent us, stripped us, shamed us, saying they were safeguarding their honor. Honor that was made of weal that only the lecherous didn't have to wear. Honor that was made of dreams killed in the sleep. Honor that was made of building fire in the chula. Honor that always wished for me to fall asleep. Honor that was made of murder or insane asylums whenever the heart tried to open its wings and fly. Honor that was made of rape as long as I stayed quiet. Honor that screamed into my ears every day, why don't you just die? We fell in love like a child falls in love with the stars in the sky. My spine broken for standing up for us. My heart burnt for beating too fast when he came out. My blood turned into smoke for bringing the blush on my cheeks. My lips cut open for taking his name like a hymn. My face for being his muse. My hands for not leaving his when they striked him. A bright orange flame melted our skin, reaching inside. It burnt every cell in our body that ever tried to live, unknown of what it was going to define. That night, for some time, we truly looked like tiny twinkling stars to the heavens on the other side. When they burnt us, we screamed no more. We laughed instead. And the stars could hear the uproar. Little by little we fell to the ground to become a simple truth that would leave them dumbfounded. All made by stardust. It rises as it collapses. I didn't turn to gold or he to coal. It was just ashes. We were made of the same thing, and yet I couldn't love him. Why? We fell in love like a child falls in love with the stars in the sky.